It is about 3:30 in the morning. As you can see, my eyes are quite tired. But we've arrived at the bottom of Mount Batur and we are going to be walking up it soon. I can't wait because we're going to get there for sunrise. So that's pretty incredible already. I'm excited. I'm a bit annoyed. I forgot this little cable for my drone that I bought especially for this trip. So I won't be able to get drone footage up there. But anyway, I'll record it all and vlog it all and take some crazy photos and whatnot up there. I feel like the theme for this walk should be the climb by Miley Cyrus, because we're climbing a mountain or a volcano, because we're climbing. So yeah, unfortunately YouTube copyright won't let me do that, but maybe I can sneak a little snippet in for you just to add some atmosphere. Tell you what though, it's cold up here. You wouldn't think there's much of a temperature difference, but there really is. Most people here are wearing coats and stuff. I'm in shorts obviously, and it's chilly, but you know me. We're just walking now with these torches. So cool. There's lava everywhere as well. Best look where I'm going though.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move.
It's like a little dance rave with all of the lights. Look at that. Do 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 do. We are going on the right one. Unfortunately, not left. We made it to the top and wow, look how worth it that is. That is one hell of a view. We're just waiting for sunrise now. Gonna get some incredible snaps. So guys, the sunrise is slowly starting now. Look at that. Wow, that's insane. So I've got the big camera out now. Gonna take some absolute bangers. Guys, this place is absolutely beautiful. Been taking loads of photos. I'm gonna show you them all later on. Or you can just check my Instagram, because that is where they will be. But yeah, this place is nuts. You can see, over here you can see the size of what the volcano used to be. Look how big it used to be. All the way around there. All the way around here. Down there. Crazy. So guys, we're the last ones left on the top of this volcano Mount Batur in Bali now. We've just taken some incredible photos, like maybe the best I've ever taken. Up here, it's incredible, it's breathtaking. You can see the scenery is like, do you know what I mean? That's something else. We're gonna go back down now. I'm out of breath because I've just been jumping off a, what's it called? Jumping off a bench, trying to get some cool, crazy photos. So hopefully they look cool as well. But yeah, we're gonna walk back down now. Hopefully it's easier than the way up, because the way up, I felt like I forgot to remove my banana skins off my shoes or something, and I was just slipping down all the time. I think I went further down than I went up, if that makes any sense, but I ended up here. Sunrise was incredible. The lake, look at the lake. The lake is something else. Don't you think?
Yeah.
We're gonna go down now. I'm gonna get some food and I'll see you in the next bit. That's the mountain done, thank God for that. That was a hell of a walk. Now we're off to some coffee tasting. We took some incredible photos. Instagram is not ready. If you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram's down below. I post all my photos on there, so check it out.
Turmeric, pepper, black and white pepper, and also we have cinnamon, and also we have skin of mangosteen. We have mangosteen fruit in Bali. I mean, that's the local fruit. That's good for cholesterol and also good for anti-cancer.
Oh,
that's
wow.
why.
Yeah.
That's why for being inside, that's coming out.
Comes out like that.
Yes.
That's luwak poo.
That's the good shit.
Wow. The good shit.
And then we wash by hot water.
That's
the
funny.
color that will become like this one. The luwak coffee after we wash it clean already. And then you can see they still have another skin.
I might have just tried the best coffees of my life, and a special announcement goes to the luwak coffee. That's actually really, really nice. And it's low in caffeine, so maybe I can tolerate it because I'm not good with caffeine in coffee, but that's nice. Look at that. Guys, this place is beautiful. Look at the colours. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is rice field number 1 that we've seen. And yeah, it definitely has not disappointed. That is something else. We've just been watching people in dresses do zip lines and go on swings and stuff like that. But I think we're going to do that tomorrow. So not today, but instead we just get to look at that view. Oh, hello, me again. So we're just taking a little trek now round all the rice fields because I'm not going on the swings today. I think I'll go on a swing tomorrow, but this place is incredible. So pretty, so picturesque. There's lots of girls here in dresses taking nice photos in the dresses. And oh, well, can you? I don't know if you can see that, but there's someone on a swing in a yellow dress, which is pretty cool. But anyway, we're gonna go back now. That's today done. I'm shattered. We've done a lot of walking today for me. I was gonna go train, but I don't think it's gonna happen, guys. I've had too much fun. I need to edit the photos and chill for the rest of the night. There she is. Oh, she just finished. No, she's swinging. Little swings. But yeah, it's a brand new day, fresh morning, and we're at one of the most beautiful gates here in Bali. Gonna take some pretty cool photos. Yeah, this place looks absolutely beautiful. We're gonna snap away now because there's a bit of a queue. We got up at about 7 today, which is better than the last time we woke up to do something. That was Mount Batur. We woke up at 1 AM. But it's gonna be a fun day. This place is really cool. I'm trying to develop my photography skills and stuff rather than going for the same stuff that I always go for. I'm trying to branch out a little bit, so this gate is absolutely perfect for stuff like that. It's not too busy as well. I was warned that it'd be really busy, but there's only a few people here, so it's not too bad. Temperature is a lot colder. Whoa. Hear that noise? That was a big van. Temperature's a lot colder than I thought it would be up here, but I should have known really. So the next stop is the waterfalls. We're going to snap away, get some cool photos here, take it from there. Not too bad,
Right. So
You want me to take a photo of you?
Yeah, thank you.
And why? Why do you want me to take a photo of you?
Because he is, I think he is a good photographer.
I'm a good photographer.
From your
Yeah. You hear that? So I'm a good photographer. I forgot to bring my dress today.
it's okay, I got you.
So when we were here, we were the only people here. We are no longer the only people here. It seems to get quite busy quite fast here, but you can see why. Remember guys, sometimes you've got to compromise. So we found a beautiful waterfall and we're the only people here. The only people here. But the sun's pool's a little bit yellow. So, you know, it's a trade-off. I still think it's beautiful. In fact, I think it's awesome. I think it's really cool that no one's here. This wasn't on any itinerary. I just found this one on social media and on the internet and thought, you know what? I want to come here. So I've come here and I love it. Check this out, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. The struggles of trying to set up a brand new drone. 20% the thing is loaded by. And we're trying to hotspot it. All I want to do is not what Emma's doing, but take a little drone shot of this waterfall. Will I do it? This is what I'm talking about. It's a cool waterfall right here. It's definitely not yellow, but I'll tell you what, there's some weird noises going on around here. It's like really loud crickets or something like that. If you can hear it, I do apologise, but yeah, check this out. Look how beautiful that is. Woo! So this is Git Git, a waterfall sort of in the middle area of Bali. And yeah, it's pretty beautiful. The last one we went to was called Wan Ayon or something. This one's Git Git and it's pretty fucking cool. Look at that. These crazy guys have just walked right into the middle of it. I would not be doing that, but fair play. Fair play. That is one big waterfall. They stuck their heads underneath that. How are they even alive? Alright, so we are at some sort of coastline because we're about to get a boat to Nusa Penida. But by the way, whilst the sun's shining bright, I thought I'd just point out my pretty cool contraption. So anyone else who is a travel fanatic, I'm sure you'll appreciate this. I've got a solar powered power bank. I've attached it on to my backpack, so whenever I'm walking, I can charge on the go. Because you know, as influencers and vloggers and all that sort of stuff, we've got to have phone battery. So yeah, we're just waiting now for the boat to take off. Does the boat take off? We're waiting now for the boat to go, to set off. And yeah, a few hours time, we'll be at Nusa Penida. So we're off to Nusa Penida today. We have zero plans of what we're doing. All we've booked is the boat trip there and the boat trip back. Oh, by the way, check out this view. This is a beautiful view. We've got no plans for when we get there. Just want to take some cool photos. Maybe today is the day I actually finally use the drone. I tried to use it yesterday at the waterfalls, but you had to update it or something and I had no Wi-Fi. So I've updated it at home. Now I can hopefully use it. So fingers crossed I can actually use it in Nusa Penida. But yeah, this place is beautiful. The whole of Bali is lovely. Alright, so this might not mean a lot to some of you guys, but I just flew a drone. I just flew my drone across here. I did a half decent job for a first attempt. It's gonna get better as well. I just can't wait to start to get good at using that drone and getting some fire videos for you guys, as well as my editing and everything like that. I'm improving, I'm learning, and I'm enjoying the moment as well. Yeah, honestly, I was so nervous. I just saw it flying away and I was like, no, but even though you've got controls over it, it just feels like it's just gonna disappear. And then, rather than making it return to home, which was here, I pressed the landing button by accident, but luckily I'd brought it quite close, so it landed on the beach just there, rather than miles over there or even in the sea where I put it. So yeah, I managed, it's done, I did it. So this is our view for breakfast, and I'm pretty sure in there somewhere is a turtle. Look at that head. Sure, it's a turtle's head right there. But yeah, this place is awesome, guys. Awesome. We got to Nusa Penida Island okay. The boat ride was fine. I fell asleep like a baby. Just rented out a scooter. The brakes are not the best on this scooter, not gonna lie, but we've made do. We found this beautiful place for breakfast that I've already shown you. It's called, I love this, Penida Colada. Think about it. But yeah, it's beautiful. So we're gonna be eating here. There's my cup of tea. Yes, I'm having a hot cup of tea. I'm fancying a hot cup of tea. The place is sick, so we're gonna eat some food here and decide what to do for the rest of our day. But honestly, I could just stay here. I could just stay here all day.
Steering and die for